As a teacher, I know firsthand how frustrating planning a field trip can be. It really wasn't the trip itself, it's the paperwork. Printing 100 pages, chasing busy administrators for signatures, tracking down missing permission slips, wondering where the approval packet stands and where it's at. I built EduSlip Trips to eliminate those headaches and give teachers their time back. EduSlip Trips is an online field management platform built specifically for schools. It replaces paper forms, email chains, and manual approvals with one simple digital workflow that keeps everyone on the same page. Everything starts with the teacher. Creating a trip is simple. Just enter your destination, dates, times, transportation needs, and any other trip details. Then add your students and submit the request. Instead of printing a ton of paperwork, walking around the building, everything is submitted digitally in just a few minutes. Once the trip is submitted, EduSlip automatically sends it through your school's approval process. As each department reviews the trip, their approval is recorded in real time. Teachers can instantly see exactly where the trip is in the process, and administrators always know what's waiting for approval. No more guessing, no more searching through emails, and no more wondering whose desk the paperwork is sitting on. Once the trip is approved, parents will automatically receive their students' permission slips by email. They don't need to create an account or download any apps. They simply click on the link sent to their email, review the trip details, and then approve or decline with just a few clicks. Teachers can immediately, in real time, see which students have responded and which ones still need a reminder, and they can even push out reminders when needed. Now, moving on to the transportation dashboard. Transportation staff also have everything they need in one place. Buses, drivers, and transportation notes can all be managed directly inside EduSlip. Everyone stays connected without endless phone calls or email chains and paperwork. Once the trip has been approved, transportation will receive an email with Google Map directions and all trip details needed. Also, once a bus number has been assigned, the teacher can also see within EduSlip whenever a driver has been assigned and which bus number is assigned for their trip. One feature nurses will really appreciate is the dedicated nurse dashboard. Instead of reviewing the same students over and over for every single field trip, nurses can review a student's medical information once and clear them for the entire school year unless they need to make a change. Unless something changes, the nurse doesn't have to repeat the process every time a new trip is created. Nurses can also leave important notes for teachers, such as medication instructions, health concerns, or reminders that should be considered during the trip. Teachers have access to the information they need, while nurses save valuable time by eliminating repetitive reviews. We'll take a look at the ROI calculator now. Whenever purchasing our products, you should always look at the return on investment. Many schools are surprised by how much money and time that they save. The ROI calculator estimates savings based on school size, the number of trips you make a year, staff time, and even paper and printing costs. In most cases, EduSlip pays for itself. Field trips are about creating opportunities for students, not creating more paperwork for staff. EduSlip Trips help schools spend less time managing forms and more time focusing on the students. If you'd like to see how EduSlip can help work with your school or district, we'd love to show you. Visit www.eduslip.com to request a demo.